Let's make some jackfruit queso nachos. So first I want to talk about how to make jackfruit properly because a lot of people talk about how it's briny. It still has the briny taste after they cook it. So first things first, you have to drain and rinse it several times. Once you do that, you want to make sure you're chopping it into tiny pieces. And when you cooking it in your skillet with oil, you want to make sure you're trying to cook all of that water out of that jackfruit. So you kind of want it to look dry. Then you're going to add your seasonings. Here I just added taco seasoning, and then I added a little bit of water just to be able to mix those seasonings up. And this is what I came up with. So now we're going to get into the cashew queso. So I just chopped me some red bell peppers and some jalapenos. Then I added me some nutritional yeast, some taco seasoning, and some boiling water. And then I mixed it, and I don't have measurements. Maybe I can come up with some measurements. And then I added my bell peppers and my jalapenos, and y'all, the sauce, the cashew cheese sauce, was so very good. I used me some regular tortillas, and I just baked them just to, get them a little bit crispy. I didn't have any chips, but yeah, I plated it, and y'all, this is how it turned out.